What is up, guys? We just got here to Lowe's. We are going to pick up some material so that we can start working on the car. One of those being is that we need a drill bit. So I'm gonna go inside, we're gonna get a drill bit, and then we're also gonna get up some wood so that we can be prepared to start building the frame of the van. So I've just picked up some Reflectix, which is these for the bottom flooring, and then I also picked up some Loctite tile foam. Apparently it's like 4 times the density of regular stuff, which is really great because that's what you want. You want your van to be really insulated, and also the more dense it is, it'll be also a sound barrier. Not that it really matters that much because it doesn't really bother me, but I mean obviously more is better. So just picked up that stuff. I got this cart. We're gonna load up some of this wood onto the cart, and then we should be able to go from there and find some more stuff. So I think our best bet is gonna be getting some of this Douglas fir. Seems pretty smooth, not too bad. I want to get some 2x2 so that we can be able to build some of that exterior frame. And then I was thinking about getting some of this 1x2. I think it's a 1x2 for like the framing and some stuff like that. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna be needing to get is some flooring for it. So we're gonna go find some flooring for this. The idea is that we use the Reflectix, and then we get some wood, and we're gonna drill the wood into the floor, and then we're gonna use some sort of like fake hardwood and put that on the ground. So we're gonna go over there and we're gonna go check out on their fake hardwood and see what they have.
We have that. We have this stuff. Yeah. Take this, beat it,
And then stick it.
and lock them. And then there will be a little extra. Have a rag on handy, damp rag. Go over it. It'll
Okay.
stay.
Okay. And is that enough to do the entire thing, you think?
Yeah, for sure. That's
Okay.
more than enough.
Okay, well, we'll grab that. Okay, guys, so as you guys can tell, we have all of our stuff. Sorry to kind of jump and skip a little bit. I was kind of pressed for time for work and stuff. I'm already actually going to be a couple minutes late. Anyways, I picked up the wood and the Reflectix and all that type of stuff. We're going to be installing the first underlayment of the flooring for the van. So we have our wood right here. I'm gonna actually pull them out here in a second, and we're gonna strip out all this stuff, and then we're gonna be able to lay down our Reflectix and then our wood on top, screw it down to the bottom, and we should be good to go and continue from there. Okay, so we have just finished cleaning this out. It's all nice and blown. I just blow it down with the air compressor, so that's good. I'm debating on whether or not I want to keep this black mat down. I probably will because it adds a good layer of waterproof protection if anything were to get on from the bottom and stuff, and it'll protect the Reflectix and the wood, so I'm probably just gonna leave it on there. So I guess the next thing we can do, guys, is start cutting out the Reflectix to size. I have this gigantic roll, so we're just gonna go ahead, open this up, then we should be able to go from there and start laying it down and then cut it out. Okay, so I've just finished cutting out that section and that section right there. With this side done, we just can go ahead and do the other side real on quick. Okay, guys, I hope you guys liked today's video. We got all that stuff picked up and everything. So, without further ado, guys, guess it's time for us to get to class. Okay, guys, nothing left to say. Guess it's time to end it.